Okay, here we go, February 2013. Flight's almost done cordwooding. Just got that last panel you can see in the middle down there still to go. So Blythe's job today is finishing off those panels. My job is doing the log bridge. So this is our log bridge, which is access over to that second story. Actually, I think it's going to end up being a carport, and I'll be able to drive my car into the boys' bedroom over there. Okay, we'll go into the second story. Actually, there's nothing wrong with this bridge. I might keep this one. Oil up the creeks. Okay, inside. That's our steel collar up there. That was definitely the hardest thing we possibly could do with this house. Trying to put that into position on a freestanding pole was very difficult. It's actually really heavy. Okay, down the bottom. Come around this side. And yes, there is a big lean on that pole. That's why the top's offset. Okay, I'll give you a bit of the view while I get down the ladder. It's just not very ordinary. These panels at the front will stay open. They're all full glass panels. So here's where Blythe's working on the last panel of cordwood, here in the kitchen. There's another window to go in there. Freestanding centre post with a basketball ring. These are rice holes, these big orange bags. That's our insulation that we use in the wall. We're on to our third bag, they're 125 kilos of bale. Front door, back door, and more cordwooding. Not sure if you're interested in the timber work, but I'll give you a look anyway. Those front panels are all glass. Okay. Quick run around this side before the sun comes over. It's production area with the cement mixer, the bathtubs full of water to make up our mortar. Fantastic.